Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the upgraded cameo skin Chic. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this upgraded version of Cameo, and I think she's called Chic or Chic, I'm not really sure. Okay, so we're gonna start out with her eyes first, with her eyeglasses. So it's just gonna be two big circles. Just come across and draw one more. So these are gonna be pretty big. Okay, and then once we have that, just come right around to the center right here. Just gonna curve up. So this is gonna be the frame for the glasses. And then from here, just go straight across. Come back here in the center. Just come down. And then we're gonna draw the same curve here. Just go all the way around. Okay, and then right here, just connect this. Should be a little slant to it. Alright, so that's gonna be your glasses, and then let's finish up her face. Right in the center right here, just draw one little mark for her nose. And come down. Draw a lip, just one little curve. On top here, I'm just gonna draw a short little curve. And then on the bottom, just come a little bit lower. Draw a slightly longer curve than the one on the top. And then once you have those three lines, just connect up the corners. And that's going to give us the lip shape. Alright, and then let's see for the face right here. It's almost going to be the same curve as this. But whatever you have, just kind of come down right around here first to the mouth where the lips are, and then we'll just curve it in. So this one's gonna be nice and sharp on the bottom. Alright, so that's gonna give us the face, and let's finish up the hair. So the hair is really easy. From the glasses, just come in. Just draw a little angle right in the center. And then I'm just gonna extend this one line. Just go up a little bit more. Okay, and then on the side right here, just come out just a little bit more, and we'll just go up and just round it all the way around. And then we can add in some lines right here just to give the hair some flow. Alright, and then on the side here, she's got those ponytails. So right on the corner, just curve and just hook it right behind the face right there. And then she's got those little bands right here, so I'm just gonna draw a little rectangle coming down. Okay, so there's gonna be more hair, but we can't draw that unless until we draw in the shoulders. So let's go ahead and draw in the body first. So right here, let's come down nice and skinny for her neck. And then right here, we'll slant it down. It's gonna be our shoulders. Okay, and then right here, we're gonna pinch it all the way down to her waist. And we'll just close that off first. And let's just go ahead and finish up the hair right here. Just draw one little bracket, two brackets, and it's gonna go right behind the shoulder area. Alright, so let's continue on down to the body here, and let's finish up the belt. So I'm just gonna draw in one section. And then her buckle is gonna be on the side here. Let's draw two lines like this, and right here, just two little rectangles. And then right in the center, just draw in two lines all the way across. And let's just add some small details. Okay, and then we'll draw in the skirt, and then we'll come back up to the upper body here. So right here, I'm just gonna flare out. And then just curve it all the way around. And then right on center here, let's draw one line and then add in more lines here. Okay, so now going back up, let's just finish this part right here. The neckline right there, and then it's got a little zipper. And then right here, she's got a little pouch here. So I'm just gonna come down, let's go all the way around. And let's just add in some details right here, just a little square. Looks like she's got a skull there. Alright, and then from this pouch here, this is gonna be the strap, so just come all the way down. And then right here, same strap here, but this one goes all the way up. Okay, and then let's draw in the chest area. So armpit's gonna be right around here. So we just curve in from that area, just kind of curve. Let's draw a short little curve coming in. Okay, so let's draw in this arm first because we're gonna have this one folded to her side here. So again, here's the armpit. Here's the shoulder coming down. The bicep area from the armpit. Just come straight down to the elbow, nice and skinny. Then we're gonna flare this out. And we can actually close this off first. Okay, and then we're gonna come down. Slight curve, and this one is almost straight. Close it off. And then now for a glove. So we're just gonna come down here. Let's draw one little angle like this. It's gonna be those open finger gloves. And then right here, let's come down for a thumb. And then for the other fingers here, just kind of curve it in. And then just give it some thickness. And let's draw in one more in the back. Just one little curve. Alright, so now let's draw on the other side, and this one's gonna be on the waist right here. So right on the belt area, just come down and then let's draw like a little shape. So this is gonna be the back of the fist. And then once we have this, we're gonna start on the top. So here's the armpit. Here's the shoulder, it's coming out, the arms. Same thing here, just come all the way out to here. And then once you have this shape, all we have to do is just connect these. So just come down. Here's the elbow. Okay, and then one line here. And she's got some straps here. So this one's easy. Just 3 lines, and then got a little pouch right here. And then we can add in a little flap right here. Follow the curve and just go out. And looks like she's got another pouch on the side here. So from the belt, just come out. Just one little hook. Even same thing here. Just follow the outside curve and then go out. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the upper body. And there's not much details on the leg. So we're gonna continue with this. Okay, here's the hip area. We're gonna come down. So here's the center. Just come over a little bit. Curve. And she's got a little knee pad right here. So we're gonna curve up. And then from here, this is just gonna be like a little egg shape. Just bracket, and then close it off. Okay, so let's draw on the other side first. So same thing here. Just curve, stop right here. Back to the center, come over. And she doesn't have a knee pad here, so we're just gonna draw on her knee. So 2 little lines coming in. And then from here, we'll just continue on with this leg. Flare out. Slight curve. Straight down. Close it off, and then for shoes, curve, and then this one just curve out a little bit more. Close it off. And then she's got those, it's kind of higher heel, so we'll just give a little bit thicker sole on the bottom. Okay, and then we could add in one line right here to finish off the shoes, the boot. Okay, so same thing on this side. So we'll flare out, curve and straight down. Just close it off and use the other side for reference. Dome shape here, curve. Come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off, and then one bigger rectangle on the bottom. 2 lines, and then same detail up here. And that is it for this skin. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.